Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is play.ht and Hume AI. So to get started with a quick overview about this platform, simply decide which of these will be a better option for you. So to get started with a quick wheel, play.ht is a popular AI text-to-speech platform offering ultra-realistic voice cloning and API integration. It's designed for content creators, marketers, and businesses needing a professional audio for videos, podcasts, and e-learning. It also stands out for its large voice library and ease of use. And talking about Hume AI on the other side, is specialized in emotional expressive AI voice, focusing on human-like proximity and a sympathetic in speech. It's aimed at developers and the brand that wants to create emotional aware conversational experience in chatbot, app, and virtual assistants. And talking about what these two platforms are best for, starting with the play.ht. Play is best for content creators, businesses, marketers needing a high quality AI voiceover and cloning. Then on the other side, Hume AI is best for developers and companies focused on emotional intelligent AI voice interaction. Then here's a very conclusion about this platform to decide. So you can just go for play.ht if you need a wide varieties of realistic voice cloning and a multilingual support for content production. Then on the other side, you can opt for Hume AI if your focus is on creating emotional expressive AI conversation and empathetic voice interaction. So let me know your takes about these two platforms in the comment section. Thanks.